Data, the backbone of AI. As a data engineer, I play a crucial role in managing this precious resource. With my bachelor's degree in computer science and proficiency in database management and SQL, I ensure that the data layer of the AI stack is strong and reliable. Data pre-processing is where the magic begins. I clean, transform, and prepare the data for analysis. It's like polishing a diamond, making it shine and ready for the next step. Databases are my playground. I design and optimize them to store and retrieve data efficiently. From relational databases to NoSQL, I know them all. ETL, or extract, transform, load, is my secret weapon. I extract data from various sources, transform it into a usable format, and load it into the database. It's like turning raw ingredients into a delicious dish. Data pipelines are my lifeline. I build and maintain these pipelines to ensure a smooth flow of data from source to destination. It's like connecting the dots, making sure everything is in sync. And let's not forget about big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark. I have the knowledge and experience to handle massive amounts of data, making sense of it all. So, if you're looking for someone who can handle the data layer of AI, look no further. With my qualifications and expertise, I am the data engineer you need. Remember, data is the backbone of AI, and I am the one who keeps it strong and steady.